When you after peeling out the cassava, then we're going to wash it. But let us not rush. Let us first of all peel off the cassava first. So, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Scan TV and I'm Jobless Azubike. Okay, today I'm to show you how garri is being processed, like from the starting point and to the finished. Yeah, the process like Nigeria groceries. Like the ones as Nigeria groceries. So I'm going to be showing you guys the process, like step by step, like the peeling of the cassava, then to washing, then grinding and drying, then also frying with the fire. Then it becomes the Nigeria groceries or garri that so do well to stick right into the video. Remember, I'm Jobless Azubike and this is Scan TV. Yeah. Never even buy garri. So what you do is you peel off the cassava. When you after peeling out the cassava, then we're going to wash it. But let us not rush. Let us first of all peel off the cassava first. So I hope you've liked. After peeling off the cassava, what you need to do is to wash the cassava. So that's the next step now. So I hope you're following up. So you wash it very well because of sand. Not when you're eating your groceries and you're seeing sand inside. Hello guys, so I'm going to grind the garri. Yeah, to grind it, yes, look at it. So I have with me here palm oil, yeah, red oil. Then I have bags that I'm going to put them after grinding it so that they're going to dry it properly. And this is the fourth process, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just count. The first process of making garri is for you to harvest the cassava, like the tubers of cassava. After that, then what you need to do is peel off the, like to peel the cassava. After peeling off the cassava is to wash the cassava. Yes, harvest, peel, and wash, then grind. That's okay. We are going to the fourth. Yeah, so the fourth is grinding the cassava. So I hope you like this video. If you've not liked this video at this point in time, so let's go.
Please guys, support me by making use of your super thanks icon. Is down below where you're going to see like, dislike, just those icons. You're going to see the circled one that I just circled here. Thank you, I really appreciate. Thanks a lot.
Hello guys, so the process of drying and also yes, the process of drying it what I wanted to say, the process of drying it takes about 24 hours. So tomorrow I'm going to come take it home, then start sieving it. After sieving it, then I'm going to like fry it. So it's just remaining two process, which is the sieving, then the frying. Then we are going to get the final result, which is the garri, which is the Nigeria groceries. So that's it. So I'm going home now. I'm going to see you tomorrow, the next day, when they are done drying the garri. This is another day, like another day. So the garri have arrived. Look at it here. Look at the garri. Look at the garri. It's already dried, so I need to sieve it with this chiva. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys the whole process, so stick right into the video. It's the sheaf. You just have to be doing it like this. It will be falling inside the basin. So that is just my basa. Guys, I've already set the fire. I just have to wait until I've shivered like more, but I just want to finish the 2 bags before I'll start frying it. Guys, people keep staring at me, like they keep staring at me, looking at me. I'm like, why is this dude taking shots of everything that he's doing? What is wrong with him? He's going crazy. Like, I don't know. I thought like I've gotten used to people staring at me whenever I'm making videos, but I think this very one like is making me I don't know how to put it. I'm feeling somehow whenever they're looking at me like this. So guys, I'm about to start to frying the garri. Yeah, I just put in the pot. I'm going to show you guys, so let's just check it out. I just have to wait for it to hot. When it's hot, that's when I'm going to put the garri inside and stuff. So guys, this is where the fun part comes to play. After using this, actually some people can just use this and finish their frying, but actually like this, it makes my hands to be free and I don't normally have like pains and all that, so I just have to use this very one. So this is the one. I enjoy this a lot. You just have to fry this for about 25 to 30 or 40 minutes and it's ready. I don't think it's up to 40 minutes. Let's just say 20 to 25 or 30, thereabouts. So guys, as you can see, it's ready. You can see it's ready. So I just need to please support me by making use of the super thanks icon in between download and remix. Please guys, if you support me, it will really go a long way for me. You can see what has been circled on the screen. Yeah, that's the super thanks icon. Just click on it and support me. Thank you, I really appreciate. Guys, so I'm done with the whole process. This is the whole garri that I just finished frying. So this is the end of my video. Let me just take you guys. So I'm done frying the whole garri and that's what you're seeing, the whole garri that I just finished frying down there. So guys, if this is the first time joining Khan TV, please do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and tell me what you think of this video. Have you fried garri before? This is actually the process of having garri, the one we use in swallowing our soup. Yeah, you have to make it with hot water. So this is just the whole process of making garri. The whole process. Yeah, I'm going to see you in another video. Bye bye.